Hello students, today we are going to discuss the versatile nature of carbon. We have learned the formation of covalent bonds by the sharing of electrons in various elements and compounds. And we know that a large number of things which we use in our daily life are made up of carbon compounds. In fact, all the living things, plants and animals are made up of carbon-based compounds which are called as organic compounds. Carbon element plays a very important role in our daily life. And a large number of compounds of carbon are known in nature. Now, what is the reason behind that? Why carbon forms a large number of compound in nature? What is the reason behind that unique nature of that carbon? And there are two factors which are responsible for the unique nature of carbon, that is tetracovalency and catenation. Atomic number of carbon is 6 and its electronic configuration is 2 and 4. And carbon atom has 4 electrons in its outermost shell. So it requires 4 more electrons to achieve the stable noble gas configuration, which it gets by the sharing of electrons. So we can say that carbon has a valency of 4 and it is capable of bonding with 4 other atoms of carbon or atoms of some other monovalent element. Compounds of carbon are formed with oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine and many other elements, giving rise to compounds with the specific properties which depends on the elements other than carbon present in the molecule. And the most outstanding property of carbon is its ability to combine with itself atom to atom to form long chains. And this unique ability to form bonds with other atoms of carbon giving rise to large number of molecules. And this property is known as catenation. These compounds may have long chains of carbon, branch chain of carbon or even carbon atoms arranged in rings. In addition, carbon atoms may be linked by single, double or triple bonds. Compounds of carbon which are linked by only single bonds between the carbon atoms are called saturated compounds. Compounds of carbon having double or triple bonds between them are known as unsaturated compounds. The covalent bonds between the various carbon atoms are very strong and do not break easily. The reason for the formation of strong bonds by the carbon atoms is their small size. And this small size of carbon atom enables the nucleus to hold on the shared pair of electrons strongly. The carbon atoms also form strong bonds with the atoms of other elements such as hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine and many other elements. And the formation of strong bonds by the carbon atoms among themselves and with the other elements make the carbon compounds exceptionally stable. And no other element exhibits the property of catenation to the extent seen in the carbon compounds. Silicon forms compound with hydrogen which have chains of up to 7 or 8 atoms. But these compounds are very reactive and the carbon-carbon bond is very strong and hence stable. And this gives us a large number of compounds with many carbon atoms linked to each other. Thank you students and have a good day.